This one is like we are inviting other students to contribute or to say something or to express their opinion. So we can say, let's hear some different perspectives. Perspectives means views or ideas. Another word for perspective, it means views. And it can also be like this, opinions or ideas. Okay, so let's hear. It would be like this. Let's hear some different perspectives. So that is inviting a range of opinions or viewpoints. Anyone with a different idea, let's get more voices on this. So you're inviting to say a different idea in the class.